Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to a boxing contest that will consist of 3 2-minute rounds. So let's welcome first boxing out of the blue corner, Marcel Chmura.
Here we've got Marcel fighting out of Fight Team in Barnsley.
Making his way into the blue corner.
Making his JackHammer debut.
He's here. And he looks ready.
Straight into the ring.
The bar don't mean a lot to both fighters. Both of them with the chance here to get off to a great start in their fighting careers.
And his opponent in the red corner, Charlie Lawrence.
Here we have Charlie Lawrence fighting out of Undisputed Fight Academy in the red corner.
Great opportunity for him here.
I've been having a few rounds with Charlie lately. He's a very difficult fighter to figure out. We're both southpaws, so he's got a very good backhand on him, Charlie.
Let's see how we can find a home for that during this fight.
Let's see if he can use the cross first. I've been telling him to use that cross before the jab.
Let's see how Marcel can cope with this. He looks ready. Focus in the eyes.
I'm looking forward to this fight, Dion.
Me too, me too. Brought to you by Leapfrog Fight TV.
Great matchup from Chris Bladen.
Today's event brought to you by JackHammer Promotions. This is a boxing contest consisting of 3 2-minute rounds. So let's welcome one more time in the blue corner, boxing out of Fight Team, Marcel Chmura. And his opponent in the red corner, boxing out of UFA, Charlie Lawrence.
Both fighters meet in the middle of the ring. Who's going to be the one that makes the name for himself? Nice.
Lovely shot from Charlie. Oh, lovely shot from Charlie.
Already.
Chris telling him to throw the cross.
Chmura back into the corner.
Oh, lovely shot from Charlie.
Big shot. Charlie with a really aggressive start to this fight.
Charlie really using that backhand to his advantage in the southpaw stance.
Nice.
Chris Bladen just telling Charlie to go side to side.
Now Marcel's got a chance to let off some shots here.
I want to see Charlie throwing that backhand first.
Nice. Used his height to get out of the way of that one.
Let's see if Charlie can throw some body shots, stop headhunting.
Nice.
Oh, lovely shot.
Lawrence looking really sharp here today.
Oh,
Nice,
lovely
big
backhand
shot
from Charlie. He's catching him with that backhand.
Marcel really needs to find the answer for this.
10 seconds left.
Teeing off a few shots of his own there.
I'm going to give that round to Charlie. I think he's hit him with the cleaner shots there.
Definitely.
I think he had him hurt a bit more there.
Definitely. I think a bit of nerve shown from Marcel. Both fighters, yeah, definitely. I'd like to see Marcel let his hands go a bit more.
Charlie needs to get on the inside a little bit more, because I think Marcel was a bit of a taller fighter than Charlie.
Definitely. If you can close that distance round more, start letting that power go.
Yeah.
I could see an interesting end to this bout. I'll be interested to see what adjustments.
Let's see if Charlie can come out in this round with fireworks. Credit to both fighters though.
See what Marcel's going to change for this round. See how he's going to avoid getting hit with them big shots.
Lovely shot from Charlie.
Landing flush. Marcel manages a few of his own. Really mean intentions behind Lawrence's punches.
Both fighters in the middle.
Marcel seems to be keeping his distance a little bit out of this round, making it harder for Lawrence.
Lovely backhand from Charlie again.
The rock back of the head there with that one. Nice.
Both fighters just holding, referee breaking him.
Lawrence looking really dangerous when he closes that space down.
He's looking very dangerous with that backhand. I think he could go to sleep at any point.
Yeah, Marcel really needs to be careful. He needs to keep that guard a little higher too. He's leaving himself open for these big shots.
Both fighters just feeling each other out. Big swing from Marcel. Charlie just waiting for that big left hand.
And catches him with that one. He thumbs him with some of his own. Punches straight through the guard with that one. The referee orders a break. Nice.
Oh, lovely backhand from Charlie again.
Nice. Marcel did well to fight his way out of that one. Nice again. Doing a good job of teeing him up.
10 seconds left. I'm going to give that round to Charlie.
Definitely.
He really is using that left hand to his advantage.
Definitely. I think it's going to take something really impressive from Marcel to twist this one into his favour. I think
Marcel really needs to be careful with that left hand.
Definitely. I just saw Lawrence and the coach going over that in the corner. Just practice one there. Hopefully we're going to see a few of those being thrown. A lot of venom in his punches. Mean intentions. Marcel really needs to come out all guns blazing for this one. Taking no prisoners. Coach is going over the hit and move.
I want to see some body shots from Charlie though. I think he could get him out there with a solar plex shot.
Definitely. He's created that fear of the headshot already with the damage done in the earlier round.
He really is hurting him with them left hands.
He'll create them opportunities to get them big shots again, we'll see.
Chris Braden just telling him everything you've got in this round.
Definitely, leave it all in the ring. Positive start to the debut for Lawrence. Nice, teeing off with some shots there. Nice. Big
jab
shot
from
there.
Marcel.
Just unlucky to not land that one.
Charlie's setting that shot up well.
Lawrence really trying to line up those big shots now, not rushing him with anything.
Charlie looking a little bit tired now.
Both fighters, I would say.
Chris Bladen just telling Charlie to corner him off.
Nice. Really got in there, ref orders the break. Straight back into it. Marcel pushing with that jab. And again. Nice. Starting to use his size now. Nice. Picking up some shots.
See if Charlie can land that big right, left hand.
Nice. Referee breaks it.
Oh, lovely left hand from Charlie. Marcel with a higher work rate in this round. Credit to both of these fighters. They both put it all on the line.
Yeah, great debut. Really good performance from Lawrence, especially.
I'm going to say Charlie's nicked that one, 2-1. I'd say Charlie won the first two, and I think Marcel just nicked the third round.
I agree with you on that one, Jake. Positives for both fighters to take away from this one. Really strong debut from Lawrence.
Next up, we have got 5 1.5 minute rounds of kickboxing for an ISKA European title.
The bout is between Fletcher Kane-Smith and Cody Williams.
After 3 rounds, the judges have reached a majority decision. To the winner, in the red corner,
Big well done to Charlie Lawrence there.
Great performance. Great way to kickstart your career. A lot also to take from it for Marcel. A lot of lessons in there.
Yeah. Big well done to Marcel.
What doesn't break you makes you. They're going to both come back better fighters after this bout.